Hi traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the delta force indicator for MT4 and MT5, all right? But I'm going to be focusing on the MT4 version. But if you want to download the MT5 version, you can also find it in the description below. But the MT4 and the MT5 versions are in the description below, right? The links to download them. Now, let us head over to our navigator. After you must have downloaded the indicator, obviously, you have to paste it in your indicators folder, and then you come to your navigator and refresh, and then just look for the delta force indicator, drag and drop. Ensure that your allow DLL import box is checked, and then for your colors, you can, of course, modify the color if you do not like the default, okay? So this is how the indicator looks like. It helps you to see momentum shifts in the market, right? So when there is bullish momentum prevailing in the market, you will notice that the green bars will dominate. But when there is bearish momentum in the market, you will notice that the red bars will dominate. So the longer the bars, the possibility of an increase in momentum. So when an increase in bullish momentum, when there is an increase in bullish momentum, you will notice the increase in the length of the green bars. When there is an increase in the bearish momentum, you will notice an increase in the length of the red bars. All right. And then when the color changes from red to green, you know that there is a momentum shift from bearish to bullish. And then when there is a color change from green to red, you know that there is a change in momentum, a momentum shift from bearish to bullish when color changes from red to green. Okay, now, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content being posted on this channel. Okay, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out, or rather so that you get updated each time a new video drops, so that you'll be among the first to know when a new video drops. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.